What's up guys, my name's Carrie and I am a product-based business coach. I work with subscription box businesses and e-commerce stores, and I help you make more money, more sales, and more traffic to your store. Today we're going to talk about how you can use TikTok to grow your visibility, double down on a new channel that is blowing up, and just get more visibility for your business and use video and show your face. TikTok is something that I have now been experimenting for my business and for my client who has a Shopify store. They are a pet company. And TikTok is something that is very new to me, but I love a new challenge. I love video, I love showing up, I love engaging. TikTok has been pleasantly surprising. And I'll say that because it feels so much easier than Instagram. Instagram with, all the caption that you have to write and the hashtag research and engaging with so many people. TikTok feels like a breath of fresh air. I cannot believe I'm saying that. If you've not tried TikTok, I think the first objection that you're probably telling yourself is, how do I use TikTok for my product business? That's what I hear all the time about Instagram. I love Instagram, but how do I use Reels to show my product? So TikTok is really the same thing that I would tell you about Reels. It's all about creating content that engages your audience, that nurtures them, that talks about your products, that shows behind the scenes, that showcases you, your personality, and you as a brand. Why would someone buy from you and not from Amazon, right? So when it comes to TikTok, I want you just to keep it super simple. If you are afraid to get started, I encourage you to follow me on my TikTok channel. I'll link it here. I am brand new and I have no idea what I'm doing. And you know what? That's okay. No one skips day one, okay? No one skips day one. We all start from somewhere. We all learn how to grow on different platforms. I've committed as of last week to double down and go for TikTok. If I can do it, you can do it too. If all these other businesses can do it, then you can do it too. And I'm not saying that to be condescending. I'm saying that because literally no one just launches TikTok and has 1 million followers, unless you're one of the Kardashians, of course. So we all start from day one. We all look stupid. We all make mistakes, and that's the fun of it. That's the fun of being an entrepreneur and having your own business. You call the shots. You figure out what channels work for you. But I guarantee you, these video focused channels are not going anywhere. Video is only becoming more and more important for you. You have to get comfortable showing your face. You have to get comfortable getting in front of the camera. And so I used to be afraid of video. I was terrified of video, and now I'm on every freaking platform talking to you guys about everything. So if I could do it again, you could do it too. I want you to keep it super simple and just think baby steps. So step 1 is start your TikTok account. Step 2, optimize your profile. So what kind of products do you sell? Like, I make candles for whoever, or I sell pet products for dog moms, whatever you make and sell, put that in your profile. And then I want you just to get started with some videos, right? TikTok videos, I've not mastered them at all. I'm just kind of playing around with the platform, but they seem fairly easy. You find music, or you just upload a video of you talking. Let's keep it super simple. I want you to commit to creating 5 videos, okay? And I'm gonna give you 5 ideas. I have a new Etsy product. It's $5 and it gives you 36 TikTok ideas. Plus it links examples. So if you want to grab that, it's $5. It's well worth it. And you will literally get 36, a month's worth of content that you can start using for TikTok or Instagram Reels today. So for TikTok today, let's just keep it super simple. 1, introduce yourself. Like, hi, my name is Carrie. I started the Dapper Dog Box because I wanted to spoil dog moms and introduce amazing pet products to dog owners. I love to support small businesses and I hope you can support mine. Follow me at, and then whatever, you can even say, I also have Instagram, follow me at this place. So you want to just keep it super simple, introduce yourself, talk about your business a little bit, keep it super short and sweet, like 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Here's something interesting about my business. Like, we donate a portion of sales to rescues or charities each month. Number 2, talk about some of your products, right? So if you sell a physical product, obviously this is why you're watching this video. Showcase one of the products. Like, hey guys, I sell facial spray. It's made of blah, blah, blah. It helps you for blah, blah, blah. This is the transformation it gives you. Come check it out, or send me a DM on TikTok and ask me questions. I'll tell you more about what skin type this product is for, right? Engage with your people. Just talk about your product, right? It's so easy, and I think we overlook the easiness of just simply talking about our product. Why should someone want to buy this versus something they can buy from a CVS or a grocery store or something from Amazon? Like, what makes this special? What makes it special, number one, is you. Like, you created this. You probably handcrafted this in your warehouse or in your, basement or whatever. You spent the time to pick out the fonts for the branding and the colors and the patterns and all that. The third one is something like behind the scenes, right? Super easy. Show behind the scenes. So you can say, like, literally, like, hey guys, we're gonna go pack an order for Karen in Cincinnati. Let's go. And then just show yourself putting items in a box, wrapping it up and closing it. And that's the video. Like, it's so simple. Another option could be something like answering FAQ. So do you get common questions about your product? If you're a clothing company, hey, what size, if you have like bigger boobs or something, what size sweatshirt should I buy? Or if you're like, you know what, I'm kind of petite, but my hips are wide, what size jeans are good for me? Think of questions that people ask you over and over and over again. And then just something like, what's something that you do in your regular life? It has nothing to do with business, but think of things that your audience might also do. So for example, if you have a dog and you love to talk about your dog on your TikTok, talk about that. Like, that's an easy thing that will connect you with your customers, right? Or if you have a really cute office and you just like to show people, like, in my office I have plants, or like, I always have 3 cups of coffee going. Keep it super simple, but find those things that your audience also would care about and just talk about those. Like, be a normal person. I think we forget that we can actually be normal people on video. That is what gets people to buy from you. That is 5 quick TikToks that you could literally make today for your product-based business. If you love this video, please go ahead and tap that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what your TikTok handle is. And I will leave mine in the show notes so you can follow me. And again, I'm learning how to do it, so I'm having fun with it. I'm not taking myself seriously, and I invite you to do the same. If you want to grab my Etsy product, I will link that in the notes below. All right, see you guys later.